Selling is an essential skill that can open the door to wealth, influence, and unlimited opportunities. The key to mastering it lies in understanding human emotions and delivering value in a way that feels natural and compelling. People don't buy products. They buy solutions to their problems and the emotions tied to those solutions. If you can connect what you're offering to their desires, fears, or aspirations, you can create an undeniable appeal that drives action. Trust is the foundation of any successful sale, and the fastest way to build it is by genuinely connecting with your audience. Listen carefully to what they're saying, ask thoughtful questions, and show them you understand their needs. Selling isn't about talking nonstop. It's about understanding what the other person truly wants and showing them how your solution fits perfectly into their life. One of the most powerful strategies is to make your offer feel irresistible. This means going beyond simply selling a product and presenting something so valuable it feels like a gift. Stack bonuses, guarantees, or unique benefits to make the decision feel effortless. At the same time, create a sense of urgency and scarcity to encourage action. People are far more likely to act when they believe an opportunity won't last forever. Stories are your secret weapon. Humans are naturally drawn to stories, and a well-told narrative can make your offer unforgettable. Share how your product has changed someone's life or solved a significant problem. When people can visualize themselves experiencing the same results, they're far more likely to say yes. Another essential element is confidence. People buy from those they trust, and trust comes from your belief in what you're offering. Speak with conviction, maintain strong eye contact, and close with assertiveness. Confidence is contagious, and when you project certainty, your audience feels reassured about their decision. Finally, never underestimate the power of follow-up. Many sales don't happen on the first interaction, but persistence often pays off. Reach out again, provide additional value, and show genuine care for their needs. This level of dedication not only increases the likelihood of closing the deal, but also builds long-term relationships. Selling isn't just about making money, it's about solving problems and creating value. When you focus on genuinely helping others while refining your ability to influence and persuade, success becomes inevitable. The more you practice, the more natural it will feel, and over time, you'll unlock opportunities that can transform your financial future. Selling is not just a skill, it's a mindset, and when mastered, it has the power to change everything. Improving yourself as a person is the foundation for building lasting wealth and living a life of abundance. Success isn't just about money, it's about the mindset, habits, and perseverance that guide you through challenges and lead you to opportunities. To grow as a person and maximize your potential, you must commit to consistent self-improvement and refuse to give up, no matter the obstacles you face. The first step is to develop a clear vision of who you want to become. Without a destination, it's easy to wander aimlessly. Take time to imagine your future self, the skills you've mastered, the wealth you've built, the impact you've made. Write this vision down and keep it somewhere visible. Every decision you make should align with this greater purpose, helping you stay focused even when times get tough. Your mindset is the key to unlocking everything. Cultivate a mentality of abundance, resilience, and curiosity. Train yourself to see opportunities where others see problems, to bounce back from setbacks stronger, and to constantly ask, what can I learn from this? Challenges will come, but they are not the enemy. They are the gym where you build the muscles of success. Building wealth requires discipline, and discipline starts with small, consistent actions. Develop habits that support your growth. Read books that expand your knowledge, surround yourself with ambitious and positive people, and take care of your physical health through exercise and proper nutrition. These habits might seem simple, but over time, they compound into incredible results. Another vital principle is learning how to manage your time and energy effectively. Wealth is created not just by working hard, but by working smart. Focus on high-impact activities that move you closer to your goals. Eliminate distractions, prioritize what truly matters, and dedicate yourself to deep, meaningful work. Success isn't about being busy, it's about being productive. Invest in yourself. Whether it's learning new skills, attending seminars, or finding mentors, personal development is one of the highest yield investments you can make. The more you grow, the more valuable you become to the world, and the more wealth you're capable of creating. Never stop learning, because the moment you do, you stop growing. Most importantly, adopt an attitude of gratitude and patience. Wealth building is a journey, not a sprint. Celebrate the small victories along the way and stay grateful for every step forward. Gratitude keeps you grounded, while patience allows you to navigate the ups and downs without losing hope. Finally, never give up on your dreams. There will be moments when the road feels too difficult or progress seems slow. But remember, success is often just around the corner for those who keep going. Believe in your ability to adapt, grow, and achieve great things. The future is not determined by where you are today, but by the actions you take and the belief you hold in your potential. When you commit to becoming the best version of yourself, you not only build wealth, you create a legacy. Your growth inspires those around you, and your perseverance sets a standard for generations to come. Keep moving forward, and the rewards will follow.